what is going on. Do a live execution video today. Live trading session Friday, 27th of March, 2026. Let's go over my thoughts pre-market, what I think is going to happen, and then my thoughts on whether or not I will take a trade. So obviously going on the week time frame here, I think it's very obvious where we are drawing towards. This is a monthly gap, and this is this next major low I have marked out on both ES and NQ. I expect us to come take that low. So if I want us to come take that low, what do I need to see first? I need to see a sweep of liquidity and retracement higher into something. So here we have this unmitigated 1 hour gap that I'm interested in looking for shorts out of. And yeah, then take shorts either down to the low we just made or down to this major low down here. And it's a Friday. We've been consolidating all week. It would make sense to get an expansion. If we do want to retrace higher than that, I marked out equilibrium of this dealing range and then another unmitigated gap above. So I'm kind of just, I'm eager to trade because I'm confident in our draw for today, but I have to remember that if it's not immediately light bulb, and I have to really think about, should I take this trade, then I'm not going to take it, because I've recovered my account well to end up this week. Almost have another eval passed, and we have next week of trading to come, which will be a whole week of opportunity. So there's not any need to force anything at all. So the thoughts I wrote down in my journal today are, today I feel eager to trade and not miss the move. It will be my fault if I FOMO into a trade. You don't need to trade. Next week will be A+ opportunity. So that's just kind of my pre-market thoughts. And then you guys will see if I hold to that well, if I actually don't force anything and I only take something if I really, really like it and it's really, really good. But if I'm questioning it or if it's impulsive, that's not what I want to have happen. So those are the thoughts here. So I'm going to be executing funded on here, and then like usual eval over on my trade of 8. So that's the plan. Hopefully we get something nice. If we don't, then oh well. So my market just open. Let's see what we do with this low here. So I want to see us go higher first, ideally, but I wouldn't be opposed to continuation shorts. We've got a mini dealing range here that we are in premium of, but I really want to see a sweep of some sort of higher low. I don't have interest in this 5 minute because it's just, there's another one below it. So there's an unmitigated here. ES is a little bit lower here. I don't mind this 1 minute inversion to the unmitigated 5. That's not, well, no, no, I'm not taking any of that. I don't care to. It would need to be this 5 minute. But yeah, it's just looking at the high time frame here. It's just so heavily bearish. I'd be surprised if we didn't go take that low. So now we have an SMT at this low. Still interested in longs. Initial longs, at least, not on the day. If they're provided, I will take. Holding these 5 minutes. If we can put in a 1 minute inversion once this new 1 minute opens, then I think that'd be a good long opportunity. I'll be right back. Hopefully nothing happens while I'm gone. Alright, we're back. Didn't get anything that I like. Our 5 minute is closing so low here. Okay. See. Alright, so at this point, my draw for the day is still intact. So there's no longer an SMT here. Delete that. Draw for the day is still intact. So now it's looking like continuation shorts for me. Which this will probably deliver. Continuation shorts for me. We're just so close. I don't really know how to feel about this. What we'll probably do is price always does this. I mean, not always, but it's probably gonna edge of this low, and then it's gonna come back up and then remanipulate and then take it. I think that's what's gonna happen, especially at 10 a.m. We might get that manipulation wick. So if I could wait for that, that would be nice, but I don't really like catching continuation shorts. Well, I guess any short towards here is now continuation, but I'd rather see us pull back first before I just enter anything. I'd want to see us come up to maybe the new 5 minute when it opens, for example. I don't have much interest in taking anything off this 1 minute. I mean, remember what I said, if it's not an immediate, oh yeah, I'm taking this, then there's no reason to take it. So no trade here either because we have a 2 here. This is all imbalanced, so it's maybe we don't know how we'll react to this. All right, so now we're looking at this 5 minutes, about to open in 30 seconds. Let's delete this, delete that, delete this here. So once this 5 minute opens, the 5 minute is going to be our condition for shorts or longs. So we're going to have version back. All right, 5 minutes to condition. So I was texting a friend who I'm helping trade. So if we inverse this, interested in that 1 hour up there before we sell off for the day. But if we just hold this 5 minute, if we hold this 5 minute and we get an inversion back down, so that would be this, then I am interested in shorts, continuation shorts. But I really do expect us to come up here before going lower on the day. So I'm really looking for longs now. I really like these shorts if we get them. This is something that I would call textbook. So I will take this if we get this. I don't see any reason not to. Just depends how we react off this 5. I mean, I would have wanted to see it in one go. How big of a stop? $50-point stop. I wouldn't want to risk more than 200 on it, so that'd be 2 micros for me. 4 on eval. No entry yet. If it flushes, I don't like how big of a stop it is. It's the only thing. But I really do like the trade idea here. I'm fine with risking 200. It's like, am I though? It's like a $300 win there. Oh no, we can wait. We have 2 PD rays that will determine our trade here. The new 5-minute opens in a minute, so I don't know if we'd inverse this 5 that quickly, but if we did, then I would be more than happy to take longs. Gotta remember, feel eager to trade and not miss the move. I can't let that dictate what any of the trades I place. The trades I place have to be based on if it's something logical and good. I think we're at least going to come take this internal high now. Yep. That would have been because of this. Well, no. Okay. I'm a little bit worried this is going to run. Let's put one on each of these so I know. I really just do see us going higher. Right now, I really feel eager to be in this because I don't want to miss it. But that's just not how this works. So I'm going to wait. It's always going to be that A+ trade. Like this, if this 5-minute closed right now, I'd be in this. Certainly would. But Hasn't closed. 3 minute closes a lot sooner. What would our risk be? Just be 1-to-1. Yeah. This would be 1-to-1. Alright, our 3 minute closed. Still not going to take anything. Just because our 3 minute closed, yeah, this will probably go. But 2 minute, we're there. 5 minute, we haven't even closed yet. So I don't. So a 50-point stop. So it's a 200-point loss. $200 loss for about a $200 gain. 1-to-1. I do think price is going to run. If we get crazy momentum, I'll enter. Alright, well, this 5 minute closes in 30 seconds. See if I would have entered on the 3 minute. I'm not saying that this is a losing trade, but I could have been losing. So now we have this 2. So 5 minute did not close. Damn, I really went shorts here, but look how far we're closing. Just moving, running without us. I want some sort of a retrace, but we might not get it. This candle really just closed too low for me. Not interested. Never got an entry. It's just too. It just closed too low for me. I don't know what else to say. If we retrace, then yeah, but the draw's gonna get hit without me, unfortunately. But today I journaled. Today I feel eager to trade and not miss the move. I said that because I specifically knew I would feel this. It will be my fault if I FOMO into a trade. I don't need to trade. Next week will be a plus opportunity. That's what I journaled, and I'm living by that. So, I mean, that low is right there, dude. Low is right there. It's a lot lower on ES. We're probably going to get something like this. We're probably going to get this to that. Yeah, it's going to hit it. Draw for the day is going to be hit. Let's see. But, if that low gets edged, then we can find continuation shorts to it. So, I think it's going to, though. I think we're just gonna. It's gonna close through it in one little move here. My only trade opportunity now is if we edge it, and then yeah, if we edge it and then get something, but I think we're literally just gonna close through it. One swift move. Well, there goes my draw for the day. No trades for me, even though I really wanted trades. Should have taken this 1 minute, if anything. Hold on. Alright, anyway, it's my dad, but yeah, it's just really frustrating because I called what I wanted to happen, called the draw, called everything, and I don't even get a trade there. So I struggled with the most. In hindsight, I really wish I just took this 1 minute. Like, I really wish. I mean, we have our monthly gap, I guess. I mean, I just don't feel confident in taking anything now that this low has been taken. Alright, I'm gonna end the video there. I'm gonna lock my account right now, though, so you guys can see. Manual lockout. End of trading day, lock. Close. Alright, locked our accounts so we don't do anything stupid like usual. But, man, it's just really frustrating, like, knowing where the market wants to go and then just not getting anything there. But anyways, I'll see you guys next week. We'll get that funded back in the green, which we're getting close. We'll get a freaking payout soon, so yeah. I mean, I locked my account, but there's probably going to be like a good mech to this 5 minute, for example, but I don't even care. I don't care. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you traded well, and we'll be back next week.